Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll learn how to create wireless coverage maps in Visp. Before we start, make sure you have a few things set up. First, make sure that your site or tower is added to your infrastructure locations. And number 2, your sublocations are defined for that site or tower. Number 3, an access point is in your equipment list. Number 4, an antenna is added to your equipment list. Once you have those basics ready, we can get started combining devices and visualizing coverage. Let's go! First, locate your access point by going to the Inventory section of your IRM. Click on the Equipment tab and find the access point you want to use. Make sure that this access point is not already assigned to a tower. Step 2, we're going to combine the access point and antenna components. In the Edit Equipment window, click the blue Add Child button and choose Unassigned. In the Equipment Profile drop-down, select an antenna. Now in the Equipment field, choose the specific antenna you want to pair, and hit Save when you're done. Step 3. Configure the antenna metadata. In the Edit Equipment window, click on the antenna you just added and fill in the Equipment Data section. Fill in the azimuth, beam width, and radius, and click Save when you're done. Step 4. Move the combined device to your tower. In the Edit Equipment window, select the access point and set the location. This would be the specific tower you want to assign this device to. Hit Save when you're done. Step 5. View your coverage map by going to the left sidebar of navigation and clicking on Map. Under the Layer control, expand Radial Coverage. Find your access point. Click the eye icon next to it to turn on visibility. Zoom out on the map to see your coverage area. It's optional. Under the Layer control, you can also go to Sites and enable View Wireless Sites to see your towers. And there you have it. You've successfully created a coverage map in Visp. Remember, you can customize those tower icons and play around with the different settings to get the visualization just right. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.